Good morning students, welcome back to Shada Maths channel, and this is the continuation class of the Eamcet 2023 May 15 shift to paper solutions class number 5. Okay, let's see the problems. The first one, and the students who will follow these videos will definitely attempt so many questions in the MCET examination. So see the first problem. If P is equal to -1 comma 0, Q is equal to 0 comma 0, R is equal to 3 comma 3 root 3 be 3 points, then what is the equation of the bisector of angle PQR? Okay, we have to find the equation of the bisector of PQR. This is the equation of the bisector. This is the bisector. What is the meaning of the bisector? Angular bisector. The line that divides the angle into two equal parts is said to be the angular bisector. Okay, this is the angular bisector. So first to take the triangle like that here, this is the P point, Q point, R point. Now what is the equation of PQ here? Y coordinates are equal, means simply y is equal to 0. What is the equation of the QR? First to find the slope value. M is equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 root 3 minus 0 by 3 minus 0. Cut the 0. So the value of them is equal to root 3. Now what is the equation of this line? Y is equal to mx, that is y is equal to root 3x. Okay, so the equation of PQ is y is equal to 0. Equation of QR is y is equal to root 3x. We want the angular bisector of PQ. Okay, what is the definition of the angular bisector? This is the locus of all points equidistant from these two lines. Their distances are equal. That is, find the distance from x1 y1 to first line, x1 y1 to second line, and equate the distances. Means here, so P1 is equal to P2. P1 is equal to perpendicular distance from point to the first line. P2 is equal to perpendicular distance from point to the second line. Okay, that is, first line is y is equal to 0 mod y1 by 1. This is the perpendicular distance. To the second line, the distance is root 3x minus y1 by square root of a square plus b square. Root 3 whole square plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now remove the modulus and taking plus or minus sign here, plus or minus 2y1. So write first plus 2y1 to this side, root 3x1 minus 3y1. Write minus 2y1 to this side, root 3x1 minus y1. So answer is the root 3x1 plus y1. This is plus y1. So answer is the first option. Understand all of you? How to get this equation? Root 3x1 minus y1 is equal to minus 2y1. Write that value to this side. That is plus 2y1. So root 3x plus y is equal to 0. That is nothing but the first option. Understand all of you? Very easy question. See the next problem. The lines P into P square plus 1 into x minus y plus q is equal to 0, and P square plus 1 whole square into x plus P square plus 1 into y plus 2k is equal to 0 are perpendicular to a line 4. Okay, two lines are given here. L1 is equal to first line, L2 is equal to second line. These two lines are perpendicular to one line, L is equal to 0. Okay, first line is perpendicular to L, second line is perpendicular to L is equal to 0. Means what is the relation between these two lines? These two lines are parallel to each other. Very simple logic. The two lines are perpendicular to the common line, means the two lines are parallel to each other. Now what is the condition? L1 is perpendicular to L, L2 is perpendicular to L. Then automatically you get that L1 is parallel to L1. Okay. Now what is the condition for the parallel lines? A1 B2 is equals to A2 B1. This is A1. B1 is equal to minus 1. This is A2. B2 is equal to P square plus 1. Okay. A1 P into P square plus 1. B2 P square plus 1. A2 P square plus 1 whole square. B1 minus 1. Okay. Now here P square plus 1 whole square cancels. So the value of the P is equal to minus 1. That is, the answer is exactly one value of the P. The lines are perpendicular to the single line. Okay, this is also very easy concept. Now see the next problem. If 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0, represents two sides of a triangle, and x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 is the third side, then what is the distance between the orthocenter and circumcenter of the triangle? Okay, see here. First, I am writing the lines represented by the given pair of straight line. What we get, the lines are x minus y is equal to 0, 2x minus y is equal to 0. And the third line is given as x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Now I am finding the point of intersections. Okay. What is the point of intersection of the x minus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 0? Both are the lines passing through the origin, so point is equal to 0, 0. Now what is the point of intersection of x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0? Point of intersection of these two. So x minus y is equal to 0 means x is equal to y. Y plus y, 2y minus 1 is equal to 0 means y is equal to 1 by 2. Then automatically the value of the x is equal to 1 by 2. That is the point of intersection is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now coming to this point here, the lines are 2x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. What is the value of the y here? Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x means x plus 2x, that is x is equal to 1 by 3. Y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, replace x is equal to 1 by 3 here. Y is equal to 2 by 3. So see here, the lines x minus y is equal to 0, x plus y minus 1 equal to 0 are perpendicular. So ortho center is nothing but 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, point of intersection of the perpendicular lines. And here, this is the right angle triangle means what is the circumcenter midpoint of these two? That is 1 by 6, 2 by 6. So simply find the distance and you get the value as the root 5 by 6. That's all. This is the answer. This also is a question, not a difficult one. Okay, see the next problem. The difference of the slopes of the lines represented by this equation is equal to 4. This is the S region. Now check the region. The difference of the slopes represented by the equation or the formula is given as here. 2 root h square minus ABB mod B. We have to check whether it is right or wrong. Yes, the formula is correct here. This is the direct formula for finding the difference of the slopes. Now check the first answer. Okay, so to get the answer easily for the simplification purpose, I am replacing that alpha is equal to 0 in the given equation. Understand? Then this becomes here alpha is equal to 0 means secant 0 is equal to 1, tan 0 is equal to 0. So the equation becomes y square minus 2xy minus 3x square equal to 0. Understand? Simply substitute that alpha is equal to 0 in the given equation. Okay. Now here we get the answer equation like that. Now take the formula. Mod m1 minus m2 is equal to 2 root h square minus ABB mod B. Here h is equal to 2h is equal to minus 2 means h is equals to minus 1. A is equal to minus 3, B is equal to 1. Replace the values. Then you get the value as answer is equal to 4. Yes, answer is equal to 4 is the correct option. So option is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Understand? The formula is correct. At the same time, the answer is also correct. Okay, now see the next problem. ABCD is a tetrahedron in which the coordinates of each of its faces are arithmetic progression with the common difference. G is the center of the tetrahedron and the distance of G from the origin. Okay, see here, ABCD is a tetrahedron in which the coordinates of the point are in arithmetic progression with same difference. That is, we take the points as x comma x plus 1 comma x plus 2 like that. The coordinates of the point are arithmetic progression. Okay, given that center of the tetrahedron is equal to 2, 3, k. Now directly by verification, I take the value k is equal to 4. Since the vertices are AP means automatically you get the centroid coordinates are also in AP. Okay, given that condition, vertices coordinates are in AP. Then automatically centroid coordinates are also in AP. Two values are directly given, so you can take the third value as 4. That's all. Origin is equal to 0, 0, 0. The distance from origin to the centroid is equal to root 29. That is nothing but the last option. That's all. This answer. Okay, see the next problem. A, B, C, 3 points are given. Then the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from A to the line joining the line segment BC. Okay, foot of the perpendicular that is drawn from A to BC. Already I solved the same type of question in the previous paper also, AP 2023 May 15 షిఫ్ట్ 1 పేపర్. ఇది చాలా చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్. షిఫ్ట్ 1లో కూడా సేమ్ సమ్ ఇచ్చారు, సేమ్ మోడల్స్ నేను అక్కడ కూడా సాల్వ్ చేశాను. ఓకే, సీ ద ఆన్సర్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ BC points. What is the formula? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Okay, this is the formula. Now replace the values. X1 y1 z1 is equal to 0 2 3, x2 y2 z2 is equal to 4 8 11. After substituting the values, we get the equation like that and take that value is equal to t. So what is x value? 2t minus 0 is equal to 2t. Y value 3t plus 2. Z value 4t plus 3. Okay, just equate the three values to t here. Then you get the values x, y, z like that. Understand? But what is the condition here? Simply these two lines are perpendicular. We are drawing the foot of the perpendicular. These the lines are perpendicular. So what is the condition for perpendicular lines? These is our product of drs like that. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. What are A1 B1 C1? Drs of the first line. What are A2 B2 C2? Drs of the second line. So A1 B1 C1 are nothing but 2 3 4. Okay, drs of first line, that is 2 3 4. What are A2 B2 C2? Drs of second line. What is the formula? X2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. That is the 2t minus 3 first value A2, 3t plus 2 minus of minus plus 1, 3t plus 3 B2, 4t plus 3 minus 11, 4t minus 8. Now taking the simplification, you get the value t is equals to 1. Now replace this t is equals to 1 in the p point, then you get the answer is 2 5 7. That is nothing but the third option. Okay, very easy question. Applying this condition, ఆల్రెడీ సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్ నేను లాస్ట్ పేపర్లో కూడా సాల్వ్ చేసి చూపించాను. ఓకే, సీ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద సెంటర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సిమిలిట్యూడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సర్కిల్స్. ఓకే, టూ సర్కిల్స్ గివెన్. ఫస్ట్ టు ఫైండ్ ద C1 C2 R1 R2 values. Now distance between the center of similitudes. P is equal to internal center of similitude, Q is equal to external center of similitude. Find the P, 2 points and take the distance between the points. Okay, what is the formula for the P point? mx2 minus plus nx1 by m plus n, where m is to n is equal to 3 is to 1, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the internal center of similitude formula. What is the external center of similitude? mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Here x1 y1 is equal to 0 comma 7 by 4. x1 y1 is equal to minus 3 comma 4. x2 y2 is equal to 1 comma 1. So after finding the points P comma Q, you get the values like that: 0 comma 7 by 4 and 3 comma minus 1 by 2. So find the distance value. Distance is equals to PQ. Answer is equal to 15 by 4, and that is nothing but the first option. Understand all of it? And I will continue the remaining sums in the next class. Okay.